secondhand smoke. That's what we're looking at. This hazy evening drive, courtesy of the Canadian wildfires, which are wreaking havoc on Dayton, Ohio, of all places. Probably other places too. Looks like we got some construction ahead. I don't know if you know the area, but Woodman, the exit to Woodman Drive is closed because there's no exit. Looks like they're building a brand new one. So that's what we got going on there. Oh, part of the bridge is missing. So, I'm thinking a lot of Woodman is going to be backed up. Won't make that a way back. But yeah, this hazy day, and now hazy evening, really affecting long-range visibility. But you can see the smoke in the air. Might not come through the video so great, but you can really see the smoke in the air if you're here. And it's just like, ugh. But that's today. So, just gotta deal with it. And I'm driving to Piqua. So, that's what I'm doing. Normally, you'd be seeing the skyline of Dayton, Ohio right there. Normally you'd be seeing the crisp, clear skyline of Dayton, Ohio. But today, it's all kind of fuzzed out. Now you can just see the buildings over the top. That'll give you a good idea of how thick this skids in the air. The air is lousy with smoke. Looking at the camera, it just sort of looks like an overcast day. But it's really not. It's very hazy. Channel 2 said there's an air quality alert for today and tomorrow. So this isn't going to move out anytime soon. We'll see how Thursday does. But yeah, that's what's going on down here. You know, there's another thing. You can smell it. It smells like somebody who's barbecuing that doesn't know how to barbecue or is barbecuing weird food. I lived in a townhome in Centerville for a couple years. The people that lived underneath used to barbecue like almost every night. And we had stacked balconies, so their barbecue smoke would come up and invade my space. I wasn't very mature back then. I used to pour water down through the grates and try to put out their barbecue. But it's kind of like it's reminding me of that. Ugh. We're a little further north now. You can see if you look off in the distance, it's just nothing but gray. You can even see how the haze just builds as you look further and further away. It's really kind of amazing. It's like I think it's an hour before sunset when I'm recording this. People already got their lights on. The sky is just gray. It's like a very, very overcast day. Pretty wild. I think that this all started up in Canada and just hung in the air and is blown all the way down to southwestern Ohio, which is where I am right now. I'm driving between Dayton and Piqua, which is called the Miami Valley. So I don't know if the Miami Valley is sort of trapping the smoke since it's a valley. I guess it could be. I'm not sure on how all the mechanics work, but one thing I can say is I've gotten a little further north, and it's not getting better. I'd say it might even be getting a little worse. Pretty amazing stuff. So we're a little bit further north now, and still no change. Headed to Piqua, making my way through the smoke to Piqua, holding my breath every chance I get. We should be coming up on the giant flag. Usually you would see the giant flag off in the distance right now, but it looks like it's obscured by the Canadian wildfire smoke. I can just barely see it. It's a giant flag. There, yeah. It's starting to come into view. Okay, there's the giant flag, and that thing is giant. That is like the size of 2 or 3 motorhomes. So this is the 15-minute away mark from where I'm going in Piqua. I think it might be 10 or 11 or I don't know minutes away from Piqua itself. But yeah, and you can see just hazy. You can kind of see the horizon there. It's all grayed out. So here we are coming up on Piqua, or getting close to Piqua. And I'd have to say it looks a little worse. Yeah. My goodness. Smoky day. Well, I'm Craig. That's all I got for this video. Take care of yourself. Look out for others. Avoid the Canadian wildfire smoke. Talk to you later. Bye.